Hey guys, and welcome back to Code&Gamology. Today I'm going to show you about a game I just made, and in part 2 I'm going to show you how to actually make it. I think some of you can guess what game I'm so obsessed with, especially once you've seen the game I made. I'm going to keep adding to this game just like the real game does. That's why this is just part 1. Speaking of trying out that game, let's go! This game allows you to throw a banana by simply tapping on it. 3 different things might occur after you throw it. Nice throws. Nice throws occur when you throw the banana when the circle's size is still 66% or more. Great throws. Great throws occur when you throw the banana when the circle's size is between 66% and 33%. Excellent throws. Excellent throws are the hardest type of throws to manage. It will only occur if the orange circle size is below 33%. Let's try it out. So let's click the banana to throw this. Looks like I got an excellent throw. Let's see what I get this time. I got it nice. What's this gonna land? I got it great. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe. Bye!